Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Gotranscript app and signing in so your account settings apply. Tap the plus new job button. This kicks off the transcription flow immediately. Choose Upload to add a recorded file or record to capture audio live, and then pick the correct language and turnaround time so you get the right service level. Make sure to confirm file type and size limits, and add any speaker or context notes. These small details improve accuracy and speed. Once your file is uploaded, configure transcription options to match your needs. Select speaker labels and timestamp frequency, and decide between verbatim or clean transcript so the editor knows how literal to be. Choose quality level, standard, verbatim, or captioning, and watch the price update because cost reflects options and turnaround. Review the preview page to confirm instructions, add reference files if needed, and select your payment method. Finally, tap Submit Job to start processing and lock in your choices. You'll get a notification when the transcript is ready. Download the final files, transcript, captions, or subtitles, and check timestamps and speaker labels for consistency. If something's off, request a revision or contact support with your job ID so they can reassign or correct errors. If noise or overlap caused problems, re-upload a cleaned audio file or pick a longer turnaround so a human editor can review more carefully. In short, verify outputs. Ask for.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.